just how quickly we're seeing this market get worse. It was the worst day for Wall Street since 1987. In leadership, we're offered policies and techniques that are good for the environment. This is something we see a lot from BlackRock. They say that gun makers should do more to protect American lives, which seems like a step in the right direction. So these businesses are all about making things safer, but so far, working with authoritarian states hasn't helped. We were given BlackRock money without knowing it, and we have self-imposed orders to help lower that over time. Putting out its numbers this morning, about 1.2% of shares are down. But assumptions are what it's all about. Near that business, but it looks like it's getting bigger. Are you interested in making money without doing anything by selling automatically on Bybit? I'd like to share something interesting with you that's free. You don't even have to sit in front of your computer all day to follow my trades. Just click on the link below. You can also see how much money I make every month from trading by clicking the link in the description. Making money at your own pace is what it's all about. Look it over. A well-known expert on XRP says that the price will reach $1,000. If you own XRP tokens or are interested in XRP, you need to read this. Are there any new stories about XRP? How will these stories affect the price of XRP? These are the things I'll answer in today's video. I'll also tell you about the new information about XRP's price going up and how there's still a good chance you could make $1 million with it. I spent a lot of time researching this movie, so please watch it all the way through so you don't miss any details that could make the price go up. XRP is trading at $0.66 right now. In the past week, $3 billion worth of trades happened in a single day. The price of XRP has gone down by 3.3%, but it has gone up by 1.5% in the last day. Out of the 100 billion XRP coins that were made, 48 billion are now in use. Keep in mind that some prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. Please keep in mind that this is not financial advice and that buying cryptocurrencies comes with risks. Before you put money into something, please do your own research. A well-known lawyer says that the Ripple case is pretty much over now that the court has set the dates for the next part, which is the remedies. In Ripple action, pro XRP lawyer Fred Rispoli thinks the SEC is no longer in the game. There are many well-known lawyers who are following the SEC versus Ripple case, including Fred Rispoli, who is responding to the current court order and the legal fight. The court set a date for the remedies hearing. Don't forget that the court just set a date for the case's next steps. Briefing and finding out. The parties have until February 12, 2024, to finish the discovery connected to remedies, in line with the order that James K. filled out. The defendant has until April 12, 2024, to file any objections. The SEC has until March 13, 2024, to file its remedies brief. In addition, the court set a deadline of April 29, 2024, for any disagreements to be met with the SEC's response. Attorney Rispoli stated that the matter is now closed and that the Second Circuit can make a decision before the middle of 2026 if any of the parties file an appeal as directed by the court. He said a few things that he thought might happen between now and 2026. He didn't say anything about any of these events, but what he said makes it more likely that the development could hurt the SEC's case. He said that the SEC had almost no chance of winning and that they had lost the case in court. A second plan to do something different in the Ripple case. One important thing to keep in mind is that the Securities and Exchange Commission has hinted that there are rumors that the case might be going to appeal. As we already said, the SEC tried to file an interlocutory appeal in July, not long after the court made its brief decision. According to the SEC, the court's ruling about the automatic sales of XRP and other distributed coins brings up important legal issues. Still, the regulator was told to wait until all the unresolved issues were taken care of. The SEC's request was turned down because of this. The SEC dropped its charges against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsson last month, allegedly to speed up the lawsuit's end. Figuring out the right fines Ripple should pay for breaking securities laws by selling XRP to institutions is still the case at hand. It remains to be seen if the SEC will file an appeal after Judge Annalisa Torres makes the final decision. It would be great if you could help that channel by giving it a like, subscribing, and keeping an eye out for new videos. Let's not waste any more time. Let's watch the rest of the video now. Experts all agree that $1,000 for an XRP is very little. This is why a well-known cryptocurrency expert says the price of XRP at $1,000 per coin is crazy. It is a bold claim by famous cryptocurrency expert Jack the Ripper that the price of XRP will hit $1,000. In a tweet today, Jack the Ripper said that the fact that XRP is selling for a huge $1,000 per unit is not important. The top expert on cryptocurrencies says that XRP is not a stock or a share. Jack said that the Crippler XRP is a utility system that aims to tokenize value in different markets, such as the commodities and derivatives markets. Also, Jack the Ripper moved things worth more than $1.20 quadrillion, which is a lot of money that needs to be tokenized in many places. You make it clear that the futures market is thought to be worth $500 trillion by itself. Thinks that XRP will be worth an amazing $50 trillion if it can take 10% of one of these markets, like the futures market. Jack the Ripper said that besides the derivatives market, there are other markets worth at least $1.20 quadrillion in housing, loans, and commodities. All of these markets can benefit greatly from XRP. Jack the Ripper says that XRP is useless at $1,000 per unit in this case. How the XRP community reacted to Jack the Ripper's answer is interesting to see. Many people who support XRP are very happy that well-known analysts like Jack the Ripper have said that the price could hit $1,000 in the future. There were, however, some XRP fans who saw the analysis as a prayer call for supernatural help as the price of XRP gets ready to go up again. There was also news today that about 900 million XRP were moved by wallets that were not named. Large buyers who have not been named gave more than 850 million XRP. The price of the coin has been XRP while it tries to break out of its range. Recently, whales have been busier than usual moving huge amounts of XRP tokens between anonymous accounts. This past weekend, the well-known blockchain detective Whale Alert shared data showing that big cryptocurrency holders, called whales in the ecosystem, move an amazing amount of XRP, about 900 million coins in the last 24 hours. As XRP gets ready for a rise, it keeps trying to find resistance. John is acting quickly and getting rid of XRP wallets that belong to people who haven't registered them, which means they have a lot of XRP. 425 million XRP and 424 million XRP were sent over the weekend. At the time of